Do you want to learn the easiest breakfast recipe that you can make on Sunday that will get you throughout the week? You're in luck. So today what I want to do is I want to show you how to make egg white muffins. Now the beauty of egg white muffins is you can use whatever veggies you have on hand at home. Every week I'll switch it up, and that's another great thing as well, is you never will get tired of eating these because you can just switch up the veggies that you're adding, switch up the flavors and seasonings that you're adding as well, and every week it's something new. So the ingredients that you will need, you're going to need a muffin pan. You can use a regular size muffin pan, or if you have a mini muffin pan, you could use that as well. You will need some coconut oil spray. For purposes of demonstration, I have already sprayed down my pan, but you will need coconut oil spray. You will spray down all of the little individual muffin holders. And then you will need cage-free liquid egg whites. We pick ours up at Costco. If you want, you could separate out the eggs. I just wanted to show you the fastest way to do this. So we will pick up a big box of these at Costco. I think we'll get around 6 for 10 bucks. And then whatever veggies you want to use. So what I had on hand this week at home is I had some spinach that I just tore up, some little cherry tomatoes that I cut up, and then I also had some yellow and red bell pepper. All right, you ready to see how easy this is? Literally, I think we can make these in 2 minutes. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So let that start preheating. Shake up your liquid egg whites, and then you're simply going to just pour them in your muffin pan. They're not gonna rise like muffins. They'll rise a little bit, but you're gonna fill it up almost to the top. So I'm gonna fill this up to the top. Get them all filled up. So this one tiny little carton is going to make 6 regular sized egg white muffin cups. If you want to, you could go ahead and make a full tray, or you could make enough to get you through a couple mornings, and then you could make another batch really fast. After that, you simply just add whatever veggies you're gonna be using to the top. One of the things I'll add a lot of time is I'll add mushrooms. Also, if you had a little bit more time, you could saute up some onion and garlic if you wanted to, and that gives them a really nice flavor, but you don't have to. I'm gonna put some of my little bell peppers in each one. Bell peppers, I like using the different colors because it just makes them flavorful. When they come out of the oven, they're actually really pretty. If you have little ones at home, they can eat these as well. So it's a great way to help them get some protein in before they head off to school. If your little ones are, if you need to put a little bit of cheese on them, I would wait until the end and then you could pull them out and add a little bit of cheese and throw them back in the oven for a couple minutes. My apron is coming off. We're just gonna roll with it. And then I'm going to add my little tomatoes in as well. All right, so now I'm gonna show you what these look like. Once my oven preheats, I'm gonna throw these in the oven. You're gonna bake them for roughly 15 to 20 minutes. So what you wanna be able to do is it's like brownies. You should be able to stick a toothpick in and it should come out and nothing should be on it. But if you can kind of see without me tilting this too much, this is what they look like right now. And once they come out of the oven, I will show you what the finished product looks like. All right, so my egg white muffins are almost done. They have been in the oven for 15 minutes at this point. So once the timer goes off, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open the oven, check them, make sure they're good to go, and then show you what they look like. So I'm gonna get my toothpick ready. Or look, I've got a shish kebab stick, a big toothpick. We'll go ahead and open these up. So I'm just going to stick this in the middle, and we're good to go. So I'm gonna pull these out, turn off my timer, and show you what they look like. This, like I said, is a super easy breakfast recipe. It's also a super cost-effective breakfast recipe. It's something that you can cook for everyone in your household. If you even, one of the things I had forgotten to mention earlier, but you could even chop up, sometimes I'll make like nitrate-free bacon. You could chop that up and put that in a few. You can get as creative as you want with these. So here's what they look like. Post below in the comments and let me know what you like to add to your egg white muffins, or if you're gonna try this recipe out this week. I hope that you enjoy this and stay tuned for more recipes to come.